Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and we are going to study in this video about special days in school, which is part of the lesson at school in EVS. Independence Day and Republic Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August and Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. They both are national holidays. On 15th August in the year 1947, our country became independent from British rulers. Hence, this day is celebrated as Independence Day. On 26 January in the year 1950, our country became republic, which means our constitution came into force. Hence, this day is celebrated as Republic Day. At school, the principal hoists the national flag. We all salute the flag and sing our national anthem. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. It marks the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a famous man and a great teacher. We celebrate Teachers' Day in the memory of his birthday, which comes on 5th September. At school, the children take part in a function. They give flowers and cards to the teachers. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, a great man who loved children very much. In the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, Children's Day is celebrated. At school, the teachers decorate the classes. There is a function in school. Sweets are given to the children. Now, children, let us revise the lesson. We learn to read and write and to do sums and to paint and draw in school. So these are the things that we learn to do in school. Now, we will learn about who are the important people at school. So many people help us in school: the principal, the teachers, the librarian, the gardener, and the nurse. We celebrate some special days in school: Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers' Day, and Children's Day. So in the previous video, we have studied about all the important people in our school, like the principal, the teachers, the librarian, the gardener, and the nurse. And in this video, we have learnt about the special days celebrated in school, like Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers' Day, and Children's Day. Some important and new words that we need to remember are librarian. So, a librarian is a person who works in a library. Like our library ma'am works in the library, so she is a librarian. Salute. When we lift our right hand to the side of our forehead to show respect. So when do we salute, children? We salute at the time of flag hoisting. And what is a function? A function is a social event. Now, children, let us do the exercise which is given at the back of our book. Fill in the blanks. Many children go to the school to dash, to study. In the school, we learn about the dash. We learn about the world. Mrs. Roy is the principal of Sonia's school. Our dash teaches us our lessons. Our teachers teach us our lessons. On dash and dash, the principal hoists the national flag. On Independence Day and Republic Day. The next exercise. Choose the correct answer. So here, children, there are 4 options given, and out of the 4 options, we have to select the right or correct option. So the first one. In school, we learn to read and write, to do sums, to paint and draw, to do all of these. So as we have seen in the revision part, we learn all these things. We learn to read and write, do sums, paint and draw. So the correct option is do all of these. We respect our principal, teachers, both of these, none of these. So we have seen our earlier video that we respect both the important people, our principal and teachers. So the correct answer is both of these. The third one. Some people who help us in school are the teachers, librarian, gardener, all of these. So we have seen that all these people help us. So the correct answer is all of these. The fourth one. On Independence Day, we sing the national anthem, the school anthem, our favorite song, nursery rhyme. So what do we sing, children? We sing our national anthem. So the correct answer is the national anthem. The fifth one. On Teachers' Day, we give flowers and cards to our friends, our parents, our teachers, our siblings. So obviously we give to our teachers. So the correct answer is our teachers. The next exercise. Write T for true and F for false. So we go to school only to play. So it is absolutely false because we go to school to learn also and to study also, not just only to play. The principal takes care of the whole school. So it's absolutely true. Many people help us in school? Yes, true. Because right from our principal ma'am to teachers to librarian ma'am to gardener, everybody helps us at school. So it is true. Independence Day is celebrated on 5th September. No, it's false. Because Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. And what is celebrated on 5th of September? Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. Children's Day marks the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. So it is absolutely correct. True. The next exercise. Answer the following questions. So children, first we will do these questions and you have to jot these answers and questions down in your practice book. Why do we go to school? We go to school to study and learn many things at school. What do we learn in school? So the answer is quite big. So you can write down any 2 points out of these. We learn to read and write. We learn to do sums. We learn to paint and draw. We learn about the world. We learn to become good children. What is the name of your class teacher? So you know better than me. My class teacher's name is Mrs. Neha Makkar. Now children, I am giving some practice work to you. You have to write down these 3 questions and answer them along with the 3 questions we have discussed in the previous slide. How do you celebrate Children's Day in your school? Which of the special days in school is your favorite? How do you show respect for your teachers in school? Thank you, children.